we're making some grapefruit margaritas. This pitcher is incredibly too large for the grapefruit margaritas, but it's all we have. So you're gonna juice your grapefruits. I don't have a juicer, so I'm using just a spoon. We'll start like this. And then when no more juice is coming out, you can use your spoon. And I don't mind the pulp. And the beauty of this pitcher is it's got one of those little things and it'll stop the pulp from getting into your grapefruit margarita cup, your cup of margs. Okay, so. We've got another grapefruit. Now we're gonna add some lemons. Now juice your lemons. Then juice your limes. Now I got my pitcher of juice. We are going to add some salt. Stuck. Just a little bit. To add some tequila, obviously. Now we are pouring the tequila in. Now we're going to add some triple sec, just any sort of orange liqueur. And then stir it all together and it's ready. Use the same spoon that we did for juicing. Just stir. There's a bug in there. Extra protein. Pour some ice in the cups. Now it's time to pour. So, cup of ice. Oh, you know, I should taste it first. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Lots of pulp. Lots of pulp. Coming out a little slow because it's stuffed up with pulp. Okay. I love this margarita. Cheers.